Autoworks HQ in Bourneville, near Birmingham, prides itself on customer service, its excellent diagnostics work, and the ability to service any make and model. Established in 2019, the business has gone from strength to strength, although recent events meant it had to relocate, with owner Andy Wells and his team carrying out the move in near record time to ensure that disruption was kept to an absolute minimum.
A large amount of work. Very long days, every day. So, as I've discussed, 12-hour days every single day for the best part of, over a month. So obviously from when we got told that we weren't having our lease renewed to us moving out was 28 days. I'd managed to negotiate a deal with a gentleman that was retiring. So we've taken over the garage that's been here. I think they've said it, from what we can tell, it's been here since 1977. Everybody worked, everybody grafted. We said it was like a massive, massive team effort.
For Autoworks HQ, ensuring the move was as smooth as possible also meant highlighting to its existing customer base and potential new customers about the business relocation. For that, social media was key.
We've done a lot of social media work. Obviously, we have a social media manager that works for us full time. His work on social media was just push. Constant reminders, we've moved. Lots of things that we did for social media for the last 3 months running, so from October up until Christmas, was just all about the move.
Every eye on us is better, basically, and especially since the move, because we've been doing a lot more geotagging and location tagging and things like that, we've had a lot of interest, especially from the Bourneville community. We've been running competitions, which the local community definitely has been invested in, and it was just something as simple as leaving us a review. Didn't have to be a 5-star review. It could have been, it's just the honest thoughts on how the business was, and I think that really shows that the transparency that we give as a business to the customers.
Anyone who's checked out the Autoworks HQ social media pages on TikTok and Instagram will know that it's not just the new move that's dominated the feeds, but just a sense of fun as the business builds its reputation for having a laugh, enjoying itself, and most importantly, engaging with the public.
I think it's incredibly important. I think it's gone are the days of leaflets and booklets and flyers and all that and the other. I think it's more, everything's more of a digital age now. Across the 3 platforms being Instagram, Facebook and TikTok, we've gained over 10 or 11,000 followers, and everyone knows that a garage fixes cars. So you need to try and find a way to differentiate yourself from other garages, and with us throughout the last year we've been really pushing on our comedy videos, or just more relatable to consumers basically, and jumping on trends is a major one for us as well. So we'll try and put our own fun spin on things that are trending right now, and I do think it's important, and I think the mixture needs to be there, because I think you need to appeal to both the masses, not just consumers but people who just regularly scroll as well, and the more eyes on the brand the better really.
With work ongoing to establish Autoworks HQ in its new location, now is not the time to look back. So what does the future hold?
Lots and lots of plans. There's lots of redevelopment where we are. We get the site. Obviously, it's quite a big site. We've got 3 buildings or 4 buildings in total. We've got 1 building at the minute. As the time goes on, we get other buildings, released to us, because obviously the lease is up. So we can then take on that lease and things like that. So, but for me, I am super excited. Like, I can't wait. I've got a little vision in my head now, of how I want it to be and what I'd love it to be and stuff like that. So I'm really dead excited for the future and how it's going to turn out, or what we're going to have here in 5 years' time. So I can't wait.